sobrang lupit nung performance ni Misha kasi yung angas niya tsaka yung groove niya, it's very uh, challenging song choice, but it was actually the perfect one for her because yung skill level niya talagang kumaga
Parang bar by bar, paangat ng paangat yung wow factor.
inon niya yung kanta eh. Husay. Ang galing ng batang yun.
Super. Sobrang, sabi nga kay Mix para siyang young Aretha Franklin. I think yung song choice talaga will unlock a side of them na hindi pa namin nakita. I think that's what happened with Misha. Kasi, parang sobrang yung groove kasi tsaka yung yung soul tsaka yung attitude kailangan din sa song na yun eh. And since yun yung napuntang song sa kanya, parang mapablow away ka na kaya pala niyang gawin.